All right, here we are at the hamstring curl machine. We're gonna get it at the highest level as we can. There should be some options to bring it slightly lower or a little bit lower. This is for your range of motion. If you're not able to extend your feet all the way high, you can start from a lower portion. But I do suggest for you to work on your mobility and stretching so you're a little bit more flexible. The more range of motion you have for your exercise, the more gains you're able to make. Should be an adjustment to get the bottom one right behind your heels. I make sure my hips, knees, and ankles are aligned. I pull on the handlebar to keep my hips down while I do the exercise. All you're gonna do is aggressively get those heels to the glutes. Hold for a second. Slowly, slowly up. You wanna release it. Stay in control. Do not let go. How does it look when you let go? Like this. You contract, and if you let go, it's just like that. And sometimes you hear people slamming the weight where they let go, bam. I can't even do it because I feel bad. Like they go bam, and then they go for another one, and then bam. They're using more momentum, not getting the contraction in their hamstring, just doing useless reps. Sure, they're getting their blood circulating a lot more, but you're not lifting weights to do cardio. You're lifting weights to get stronger or bigger or get that muscle to have more endurance, not your heart rate. Like, come on, bro. Do the exercise how you're supposed to get the benefits that you actually want. If you are looking to do cardio, go do cardio. Anyways, contract, slowly up. Contract, slowly up. Okay?